lard and pasta. What do you say? I think it's a bomb, but it's unbelievable. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this Neapolitan classic. And now we're going to smash the garlic. We're gonna make it like a pulp garlic. Perfect, it's a beautiful pulp now. And now let's talk about the lard di tinta senese. Here at Piatto we use this lard quite often. It's one of our favorite, softer than many other fats. And it renders this fat beautifully on the pan. It's the ideal fat for creating the perfect base for your lardiata. Good health. We have lots of knives in the house. I'm gonna go for this slicer this time. Yeah, I would do. Oh, let's do strips first. We're gonna mince it really well. Choose whatever weapon of destruction you prefer. I decided to go with this cleaver. Here we go. This is really a cream at this point. It's time to combine the garlic with this fat, and then we mince it a little bit more, and finally we set it aside. We do this because the garlic combined with the fat releases all the essential oils that the garlic has, and the fat traps it. This is where a cleaver is really handy because it has a large blade and you can press on it like this. Can you use your blender? I think you can. I never use it for this kind of job. The blender trims it, slices it while I am pressing. Perfect, the job is done. Now we set this beauty on the side while we put the water for the pasta to boil. And don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes and click the like button for your Flavio Diamante. So traditionally, this pasta is served with ziti, which is this one, this stuff right here. And if you remember, we've used this pasta for the Genovese pasta, which is another Neapolitan pasta. Phenomenal pasta, check that video out on our channel. Anyway, this is bronze die cut, so it's rough on the surface to clean even more the sauce. The ziti pasta can be cooked as is, but usually are cut in half or in 3 parts. And that's what we're going to do. Do only 3 at a time, no more, otherwise you're going to cut yourself as I did. Done. Now we're going to cook this pasta, and while this pasta is cooking, we're going to saute the onion with that lard and garlic cream that we created before. Un filino d'olio, a drizzle of olive oil because the dish is not fat enough. Guardate come sta già sciogliendosi. Ok, ci siamo. It's time for the onion. basilico. In una buona cucina campana non può mai mancare il basilico. Dategli sempre un colpettino con la mano perché schiacciate la foglia rilascia più aromi. It's perfect. So soft, tender. It's unbelievable. Now we need to finish with the pasta and it's ready to go. Salted to perfection. Hey, this recipe was delicious, but if you're hungry for more, check out my latest book, Pasta Affair, 50 authentic Italian recipes from Italy. You will find a step-by-step guide for each recipe, including tips and tricks. Start a pasta affair, available on Amazon. Il formaggio a pioggia . La lardiata è pronta. This is unbelievable. I can't wait to try it. Don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes if you haven't done it already. And if you like this video, click the like button and I'll see you in the next one.